Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Easy Tricks app. In today's video, I will tell you how to get dark mode on Snapchat on Android and iPhone. First of all, open Snapchat app. Then click on your profile and then click on settings and scroll down and go to I need help. Here you need to type dark mode. The first search how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. And this is the article you can see. Actually, dark mode is not available everywhere on Android. And if you want to enable dark mode on your Android phone, you just need to update to Snapchat Plus. No other way. To update to Snapchat Plus, I will tell you how you can update it. Go back and go back again. Here is the option custom notification sounds. Click on it and it is asking for Snapchat Plus. Click on next, and when you click on start free trial, your Snapchat Plus free trial will be started for a week. And if you are using an iOS or Apple device, you can turn on dark mode simply by going to your settings, scroll down, and go to account actions. And in this list, you will find the option here, always dark. Just click on that option and you will get dark mode on your iPhone. That's it from today's video, guys. If you are new to our channel, like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. Take care.